How to fix move iPhone a little lower or higher issue on Face ID. So if you're facing this problem which says move iPhone a little lower or higher issue, then what you need to do is just watch this video. This error typically happens when Face ID has trouble scanning your face due to incorrect positioning or environmental factors like low light or etc. Now here are some effective solutions for this problem. So the first solution is you need to enable True Tone and adjust your positions. So scroll down from your iPhone's control panel. Here tap and hold on to your brightness slider and then toggle on the True Tone. After it's toggled on, you need to go back to your phone settings and then you have to tap on Face ID and password. Now enter your Face ID by setting up your Face ID. Once you've set up your Face ID, it will start to make sure that you have repositioned iPhone in front of your face at a natural distance or angle. Then you can also make sure that you have enough lighting in your room and ensure the true depth camera or front facing camera is not obstructed or not blocked by a case or a screen protector. Once that's done, see if your Face ID is working or not. If that still doesn't, then open up your settings again and then scroll down, go with accessibility option. Now scroll down and tap on Face ID and attention and ensure that require Face ID or face attention for your Face ID option is turned on. Or solution number 3 is clean the camera lens. Check the true depth camera at the top of your phone for any dust or debris. Clean the lens gently with a soft cloth and then again try to set up your Face ID again. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your settings again, scroll down a bit, go with general, tap on software update, and then update your software if you have any updates. After updating, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.